How to fix Roblox low memory. To address this low memory warning in your Roblox, you can hinder gameplay and it causes game crashes. It happens on your mobile phone when you play. So I'm going to give you the solution for both. For example, you need to check your low memory issues, check device compatibility, ensure your device meet this minimum requirement for running Roblox. It typically include having at least 1 GB of RAM, and device could be iPhone 5s or older may struggle with memory intensive gameplay. So if you're using a mobile phone, then just go to your device setting and check available storage. If your storage is low, less than 1 GB, consider deleting unused apps or files to free up space. Now close the background apps, right? And reduce in gameplay graphics settings. If you're using in a laptop or PC, if you're playing the game, then just go to your settings, and here in the settings, you will able to find a lot more information, right? For example, this is settings here, then here you can go and check your device compatibility, right? You can just go and check your storage is proper or not and delete all these temporary files and everything. Make sure your the C drive is empty more than 30%. In this way you will able to play this game very easily. Make sure only one tab is open in one browser when you are trying to play Roblox in your laptop or PC or system. Thanks for watching.